We're based here in Rathcormack in North County Sligo. We're an independent gallery. We're 3 artists and this is our living. So we love what we do, we really, really do. It's our passion to paint the landscape, the seascape. The coastline is just so rugged, it's beautiful, it's wild. It's the wild Atlantic way. Anything that inspires us. The landscape as well itself. We have the mountains, we have the woodlands.
So my journey is from the scenes of Benbob and Knocknarea and the fabulous view that we have here in Sligo. So hence you see my work behind me. I work in acrylics and oil, and I also work on slate, which I reclaim and then clean that down, and then I work on that. Be inspired what's around you, and I think that has brought me on my journey and brought me with my Tanis and Póilín here.
I've been painting for 20 years, mainly in oil, board and canvas. There's so much beauty around County Sligo, it's very, very understated.
Open door gallery and studio. You're very welcome to come in, have a look at the work in here. The 3 artists that are here are all excellent. So whatever your genre is, whether it's seascapes, landscapes, still life, eclectic, there's something for everyone in here. We're very passionate about what we do and we're very happy to have this gallery.